So there are a couple of students who have asked how to format their paper. This is what you're going to do. You're going to open up a new Word document and I use a Mac, so you're going to go under layout and make sure that your margins are what they call normal. 1 inch at the top, 1 at the bottom, 1 left, 1 right. Okay. Then you're going to make certain that you want to change your font to Times, and you want to make it a 12-point font. All of your papers should have your name, and that's your first and last name, middle initial if you use it, today's date, or the date that you're turning in your assignment. In this particular, this happens to be, wow, okay, January 25th, 2019. Your class is Advanced Composition, and your section is 20301. And then you're always going to put the name of the assignment on your paper. So put the word name of the assignment. Just because there are a couple of you smarty pants out there, I'm going to call this formatting your paper, if that were the name of the assignment. Then you're going to space down or do a return, 2 returns, so that you're double spacing, and put the title of your assignment centered, bold it. Alright, and then come down, put it back on left justify, and you're going to start typing right here. That is how all of your papers should be formatted. Now, if the other question was, how do I get my reference list to format properly? Okay, so to get your reference list to format properly, you can see I've already got my heading here. I've got the word references at the top, and I already have 2 citations all on the page already. All right, so I'm going to pull up the library's website, do a search real quick, and I'm just going to randomly pick this one of the sources that comes up, because this is for formatting purposes and not for the purpose of content. So I'm going to click on this very first one here, assuming that that's going to be a source that I want. And you guys, I gave you a little cheat that you can use here. You can press the Cite button. Scroll down. We know that this class is using the APA format, right? All right, so this happens to be a report that we're using. So we're going to copy that, go back to our Word document, and it's already set in place here. We're going to paste that onto the page. Of course, you've got to click this Match Destination Formatting. Alright, so it matches the destination formatting. However, the margins and the line are not lined up properly, because we know in APA format the first line should be, the very first line should be even with the left margin, and then we're going to indent the additional lines. So we're going to take our tab, push a delete button there. We're going to take this, place our cursor on the second line, and push the delete button to eliminate the spaces between the first and second line. Hit the return key. That's going to put it back on the line, then hit the tab button, and that will put your second line, that will indent your second line. We're going to do the same thing for the third line, and then you notice it automatically did it for the fourth line. So that is how you do the tabbing or the formatting for your paper. The next thing you need to know, well, actually, let's stop right there. All this tutorial is about is how to get your APA style citations to indent properly on the page. Just as a reminder, though, I want to mention that this would need to go before this reference here, because it